Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Palworld game or Palworld 1.0 game not launching or not opening, stuck on loading screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, you have to click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check. And after that, if not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game. Here I'm showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to disable mods. So if there is any mods enabled, then you are suggested to disable it. You should disable it manually, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to update your graphics cards. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. So search for device manager over here. After that, here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option. Now here you have to search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, and here you have to search whether the game is listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to check graphic settings of the game. So if the graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly. You are suggested to run the game on borderless mode and also lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to update Windows. Make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates. This will check and update your Windows to the latest version. After that, try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, you have to go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from PC. After that, restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Palworld 1.0, and after that click on the play button to check if it's working. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Palworld 1.0 not launching or not opening, stuck on loading screen, not responding error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.